We're not pushing numbers here. It's about soul. One of our biggest accomplishments this year has to be growing the company from a 15 or so team to about 25. I think we created quite a traction in the town with doing a few successful F&B projects in Dubai, like Tom and Sir, some of us, which started to really show fruition in the market. And all of a sudden, we just saw this surge of new kind of larger developers coming towards us, showing an interest in our work, which also meant that we had to strap on, be ready for it, and just be prepared to grow to that level. With that also came the acknowledgement and understanding of the detail and the process that needs to be implemented into the company and infrastructure. Our primary focus in our company is to always focus on the concept and taking it back to basics. It's not about our personality, it's not about what we personally enjoy or like as a design aspect, but more importantly, what's the best thing for that concept to be. So whatever the identity that we're trying to portray, it needs to reflect on the food, on the space, on the brand, on the name, on the people that are serving, and so forth. So our objective is to collaborate with our clients and to create an experience together to make sure that the consumer experience is reflectant on that. That's the DNA of H2R. It's about how much we personally interact with our clients. It's not, we're not pushing numbers here. It's about soul. So we need to also show that within our projects, within our personalities, with our clients and so forth. This year we saw something that we never thought we would, which is doing pretty much a budgetless 190 key resort. Told us to do our thing with it, to renovate a very historic one in Egypt, Al Alamein Hotel. So that to us, I don't think I'll ever forget. It's the first hotel we actually got to see completion and pretty much done in 10 months from a shell and core, stripped down to a shell and core, to creating a beach bar and pool area, as well as all the rooms and public areas, and creating a complete experience reflecting on the nostalgic 1960s Egyptian identity. What we're actually seeing is the recycling of the same sectors. So whereas before we found food and beverage and hospitality to be newcomers to the game and plotting into markets that just never existed, now we're seeing a survival of the fittest scenario. So it's like there's a recycling of those that didn't succeed and the new ones coming in, which is healthier. It makes for more competition, makes for a higher quality of products from all the clients to have to produce, as well as a higher competition of creating experiences from us as designers. We are nerds in a way where we tend to kind of put our eyes down and focus on our work a lot and probably don't socialize and do the social game as much as others. And I think, that's also part of the fact that we just genuinely enjoy getting our hands dirty. Having said that, we do try to contribute with the young generation of students that are coming into the market. So it's very important for us to give back, and by helping groom the newcomers to the game to understand the difference between theoretical and reality.